Let's solve this vector as a question. We'll be given a diagram, a triangle, which says OA is vector A and OB is vector B. We've been given that OX is HOM and AX is KAM. Express OX in two equations, hence find the values of H and K. We want to find the values of H and K. And so we'll be told that OX is equal to HOM and AX is equal to KAN. Now I want us to find the vectors OM and the AN. Now when I want to find OM, then I will check the path traced by OM from O to M. Now remember our M is here, this is our M. Now from O to M, I can take this path, OA and AM, or OB and BM. Now I can, here for this example, I'll take OA plus AM. Now this will be OM is equal to OA plus AM. Remember, M is a point on AB and it has divided AB in the ratio 1:4. Now for me to find AM will be equal to 1 over the total. The total is 5, which is 1 plus 4. Now it will be 1 over 5, the ratio of AB. This will give me, this will force me to find the vector of AB first. Now AB is equal to, from A to B, I'll move from AO to OB. AO plus OB. Remember, OA is A. Now the vice versa, AO to be negative A. AO will be negative A plus OB. We are told that OB is vector B. Now this will give me that vector AB is equal to B minus A. Now I want to use vector AB to find the value of vector AM. Now AM will be equal to, according to this, you can see that the ratio is divided here, 1:4. Now AM will be 1 over 5 AB. Now this will give me 1 over 5 B minus A. Now AM will be equal to 1 over 5 B minus 1 over 5 A. Now having AM, I can easily find OM, whereby we've said that OM is equal to OA plus AM. Now here OA will be equal to OA. We've been told that OA is A, and we have found the value of AM to be 1 over 5B minus 1 over 5A. So now OM will be equal to A plus 1 over 5B minus 1 over 5A. Now simplifying that, we'll get that OM is equal to A minus 1 over 5A. This will give me 4 over 5A plus 1 over 5B. Now having OM, I can now easily find the OX. the first equation of OX, which is equal to OX, we will be told that is HOM. OX is HOM. Now, HOM, and we have our OM as 4/5A plus 1/5B. Now, OX will be equal to 4/5 AH plus 1/5 BH. That is my first equation of OX. This is my first equation of OX. Now I'll move to the second equation of OX. Second equation of OX. Now I will find it manually such that OX, according to the diagram, OX, I can trace this path. OX is equal to OA and AX. But we've been told that AX, in our question here, AX is equal to KAN. Now, I want us to find AN first of all. AN. Now, AN in the diagram, AN is AO and ON. Now, AN will be equal to AO plus ON. But ON now, ON is on the line of OB, whereby it is divided at the midpoint. N divides OB at the midpoint. Now, AN will be equal to AO, and you can see that OA is A. Now AO will be negative A plus, being the midpoint of OB, now it will be a half OB, and OB is B. Now our AN is equal to a half B minus A. Now what is my AX? My AX is equal to KAN, and my AN is half B minus A, so AX will be equal to K a half B minus A. Now vector AX will be equal to a half BK minus AK. That is AX. Now I want us to find the second equation of OX, and you can see in the diagram that OX is traced by the root OA and AX. Remember, we have our AX as a half BK minus AK, so we can say that this takes the root OA plus AX, and OA is A plus AX is a half BK minus AK, and this will give us the second equation of OX. Now comparing the two equations, we can say that the first equation says 4/5 AH plus 1/5 BH. You can say this equals to A plus a half BK minus AK. Now you'll say 4/5 AH is equal to A minus AK. Now A is common here, so A 1 minus K 4 over 5 h. Now remove a. This will give me 4 over 5 h is equal to 1 minus k multiplied by 5 over 4 multiplied by 5 over 4, or multiplied by 5. Let's multiply by the denominator, both sides. I'll remain with 4h is equal to 5 minus 5k. Now this will give me 4h plus 5k is equal to 5. That is my first equation. My second equation, I'll say 1 over 5 bh is equal to half bk. 1 over 5 bh is equal to half bk. Multiplied by the LCM of 5 and 2, this will be 10 multiplied by 10. This will give me 5 bh is equal to 2 bh is equal to 5 bk. B, remove b, remaining 2h is equal to 5k. 2h, bring 5k to this side, so 2h minus 5k is equal to 0, and this will be the second equation. Solve the two equations simultaneously. Solve the two equations simultaneously. This will be 2h minus 5k is equal to 0, and 4h plus 5k is equal to 5. And solve this simultaneously. Add them. This will be 2h plus 4h. It gives me 6h is equal to negative 5 plus 5. This gives me 0. Now 0 plus 5, this is 5 over 6 over 6. Now we get the value of h is equal to 5 over 6. Having that 2h minus 5k is equal to 0, and we found that h is equal to 5 over 6, then 2 times 5 over 6 is equal to 5k. By 2 1 by 2 3, 5 over 3 is equal to 5k, and to the one the value of k, so divide by 5, multiply by 1 over 5, 5 by 5 1, so 1 over 3 will be equal to k. So the value of h is 5 over 6, and the value of k is 1 over 3. Thank you.